Hi everyone, today we will introduce our new unit, NEON-OPTOD from Kuala Lumpur, France. So let's check the content inside. Firstly, we got the unit provided with the probe together. Second, carrying strap. Third, battery, AA battery. Now, fourth, you provided some certificate and QC report. And lastly, some quick start guide. Last of all, they provide the chemical for sodium sulfide. Okay, now I will teach how to install the battery for this NEON Oximeter. Firstly, we take one screwdriver. Then we turn the back of this unit. Behind here got one small screw. We just open it and insert the battery provided inside. Then screw it back. Now I'll show how the keypad works for this unit. Firstly, on and off button. We need to press and hold for some time to on and also off of this unit. And you wait for a while for the unit to get ready. So the display is here. Okay, then next, the light button here. The light button here is to adjust the backlight for this unit. We need to hold the light button and press up and down to adjust it. You want the brightest, and we just set it. Okay, next on the navigation key, up, down, left and right. And with some special key, up and down is for we can enable for the transferring data through the Wi-Fi. And the left button for the delete, and right button don't have anything. Right now the unit show is milligram per liter. We can change the display for here we need to show. We can press the up button. We can change to percentage saturation or temperature. You get 3 options to choose. Okay, another thing is the menu button here, menu and escape button here. It's the same button, we just press it. Now, after press, we can access to 3 options we can choose: calibration, recording, and another one is preference history. Let me show the preference inside. Okay, preference inside, they actually got a few functions we can choose. First is date and hour. Second is the display. Third is language. Date hour is you set the date and time, for this unit. Second thing is the display. Display this show for the auto off. Now is minimum is 2 minutes, maximum up to 1 hour or 2 hours like that. You can set it yourself by pressing OK. Then we show the green color like this. Okay, if you're done, then we just go back to the escape button. After that, language. Right now is English. They got other options as well if you want to choose. If you don't have, we just press escape. Okay, and that's all overall for the general setting and the keypad function for this unit. Okay, as for the calibration part, we can press to the menu here and we go to access for the calibration. Inside this calibration, we go for the main parameter here. Main parameter here, which is dissolved oxygen for this. We got 2 functions here. One is full calibration and gain only. Normally, we recommend customers to do the gain only function. Gain only, that means that you need to access the probe onto the surface of the water. Then show it beside here. We just follow the procedure. Then after that, press again only. After that, they will run the unit will show stable. Once stable, press OK to valid. That's all. As for the full calibration, we recommend to send this unit back to us for running the full calibration for this unit. The frequency for this calibration, we recommend once a year to perform it. Okay, right now I will show you how to use this unit for the testing. Right, we have one sample here, so we just need to open the cap of this DO probe. They got one indicator here, need to show how to open the probe. So we just follow exactly as the instruction was. Next, we just insert the probe into the samples and stirring it to maintain the homogenization of the DO. Right now the unit has been going down. After a certain point, it will start to stable. Once it is stable, the monitor will show this balance symbol, and that means that the unit is stable right now. So you can record this result into your report. If no, you need to wait for a while until it disables. Okay, so right now you can record your samples 6.03. Okay, that's all. Okay, if you want to record your result in this unit can be stored up to 30,000 memory for this. Okay, once you read until this symbol come out, this table is coming out, you just press the OK button. They will show one recording here. That means after that you can review this result inside this menu, recording, then result. Then you will show the latest result that you tested out. Okay, if you want to extract the result out from this unit, first you need to go to the result panel. So press menu, go to recording, then go to result. Okay, and here we need to enable the Wi-Fi function first of this unit. So we press these two up and down buttons simultaneously until the display show one Wi-Fi icon here. Okay, next we will proceed to the laptop. Okay, next you need to go to the Wi-Fi here and click NEON-OPTOD here and click connect. So it will automatically pop out one website. If the browser cannot be detected, so you just type the number 192.168.4.1, and after you type this word, you press enter. Immediately will bring you to the NEON data logger page like this. Next, you press the download and CVC file here. They will automatically download it. Okay, to open is in as a file CSV. So all the results here will be shown here, including the time strength and others. Yeah, and the campaign name. That's all. You can keep it as your record. Now, after done exporting out, you need to click the exit and Wi-Fi off button here. So the unit can be after you click here, the unit won't be shown the Wi-Fi icon. Okay, after testing a sample, we need to keep the probe back to the cap here. But first, we need to clean it with the distilled water. Or tap water also can. We just clean it. After that, use the tissue paper to wipe out the excess water. And be careful on this black area here. Make sure you just don't wipe it, you just touch it with your tissue paper. And after that, you just keep back inside the cap and switch off the unit. By wrong pressing the off button, it will show device shut down.